Goodness, the story of Aderyn is about two women who've led very different lives and kind of come together at one point in their life, and this has continued that journey for them. It's a story about Welsh learners and when do you finally become a Welsh speaker? When do you appoint yourself, and who does that appointing? But even more than that, I guess the very prominent theme is about well-being and support amongst women for each other.
Wedi'i, and gets to be 30 with 2 kids on an impending divorce.
Yes, got to be so sure and confident.
Not.
Less confident, even with the divorce and the kids.
I can't believe you saw me that way.
We all did, really.
The challenges of directing a piece like this is that it's very much dance and theatre. It's movement and text, and both things tell the story. So I think the challenge for me, I come from a ballet background, and so the challenge for me is ensuring that the story is being told just as clearly through the movement as well as through the writing and the delivery of the text and dialogue. That way, for audiences, it doesn't feel like there are moments of silence, only moments of information being shared through the bodies and movement instead.
What's this book you're writing about then?
Aderyn.
A bird?
Yeah.
A bird?
Odd and weird.
Yeah, I mean, it feels incredible to be in a location with it. Especially this place, this cafe has the best Victoria sponge cake I've ever eaten in my life. And I've just had a banana honey that was fresh out of the oven. So this is not a sales pitch, but just saying, like, that adds to the excitement of being able to perform and work in here. And so I think one of the challenges of it is that you're dealing with an audience that isn't held captive to their seats.
Watching it hang there. And everyone around me was just moving. Fel siopa a cerdded ac yfed coffi a sgwrsio a chwerthin. Just laughing. Fel roedd popeth yr un peth. Like there was no good. There was. Roedd Aderyn just hongian, and everyone just kept going, and I just wanted to scream, Ydych, look, mae hi'n hongian.
I would love the audience to get from the performance just a vision of empathy. You know, these characters, they meet each other where they're at. They don't require something more. You know, they're saying, this is me, this is what I'm going through right now, and they meet each other there. So I hope the audience can feel seen through that storyline, but also can feel that they can be that to someone else.